Going over Apple stock here on unusual whales, and take this with a grain of salt, but these are some of the latest price targets. We've got Evercore here and Morgan Stanley from March. 252 and a $275 price target, both being a buy recommendation. Now I'm going to go ahead and just share with you my personal opinion on Apple stock. We are currently below the 200 daily moving average, and I think we already bottomed out here at 208. This is just my personal opinion here. We're just looking for that reversal back up towards the 200 daily moving average there, which is going to be right around 228. Right, so 228 there is the next closest price target I'm keeping an eye out for Apple stock here. Now, if we do break above the 200 daily moving average, I do have a prediction here, and it's going to be quite a lot higher than what you see here on unusual whales from these firms. And take this with a grain of salt as well. This is just my personal opinion. Previously, back in April of 2024, we dipped down below the 200 daily moving average, and we bottomed out here at 163. All right, and before that, we had this high here of right around $200 per share, and then again we dipped down. We broke back above the 200 daily moving average, and we had this high here of 236. All right, so from 200 to about let me go ahead and fix this real quick here. From 200 to about 236 there, it's going to be about a 20% move towards the upside, right? And this is after breaking out of the 200 daily moving average. Here we are again, breaking below the 200 moving average, bottoming out, looking to reclaim the 200 daily moving average, and now just looking for that 20% gain. And this is just a possibility as well, right? Take this with a grain of salt. Another 20% gain for Apple stock from the high of 259 or 260 is going to be closer towards $310 per share. So that's my price target for a year out for Apple. Something to keep an eye out for sure. I do believe 260 is going to be retested. Like, it's almost guaranteed in my personal opinion. Oops, excuse me. If we compare the current price here at 223 all the way to 250, which is one of the resistances I'm keeping an eye out for, that is going to be a 12% upside move. All right. If you're wanting to play the momentum, I think this is a pretty good idea, in my opinion. And if you're looking for the all-time high at 259 or 260, that is going to be a 17% upside. And my personal price target for Apple, if patient enough, looking for 1 year out at latest, that should be about a 40 or 39% move towards the top side from current prices, okay? So again, like I mentioned in my previous video for Apple stock, I'm not trying to time the bottom. I'm not looking for the bottom, but if you're looking to play off of the bounce off of the potential bottom, I think this is a really good time to be adding between the support here of 215 and the 200 daily moving average at 228. So 228 to 215, that's right around my personal preferable entry for Apple stock. That's where I would look to dollar cost average or add in a big position. All right, that's just my personal opinion. If you do think the market is going to drop some more, say hypothetically we get a rejection of the 200 daily moving average, because that is a possibility. I'm not leaning towards that, but it is a possibility. Then we could potentially pull back down to 215 and potentially even 202. So that's why I have this red marker here just as a reminder. Let's go ahead and compare this to our current price here just to show you the potential drop, which is right around 9%. I don't think we break down below 203. I think this is the second bottom. If 208 is not the bottom, then 203 here could be a potential bottom. And again, I'm not leaning towards this to happen. I'm just saying this is just a possibility, especially if we get a rejection of the 200 daily moving average. Then just keep an eye out for a potential 9% drop, again, from current prices. But the one I'm leaning towards is a break above the 200 daily moving average into 250, and of course that 1 year out price target of 310. Let me know what you think down below. Is this too far off? Is this too far-fetched? Or do you think this is a realistic scenario for Apple stock going into a year out? Let me know if you're long-term on Apple stock, or if you're just here trying to play a short momentum move. All right. I am definitely keeping an eye out for that 200 daily moving average going into the first week of April. I think that's something that could be tested, and I think we will break above the middle Bollinger Band here as well. So if you guys are long-term in Apple stock and you want a community to chat with, feel free to join our Discord. It's free to join. I'll leave a link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 people, and we have a Apple chat section as well. So if you want to contribute, you're more than welcome to come on in for free and share your due diligence, ask questions, and read up on other people's opinions on Apple stock, as well as the other Mag 7 as well, and other stocks as well. Thanks guys for watching, and if you guys want to support the channel, we are a pretty new channel here. You can feel free to like the video and subscribe if you find the video helpful. Turn on notifications too if you want more Apple videos. We will be making more Apple videos here. I make Apple videos almost every other day, possibly every week as well. So if there are more supporters for Apple stock on this channel, I'm more than happy to share more due diligence, and mainly it's been just technical analysis, but I can share due diligence too if that's something you guys are interested in. So let me know your thoughts down below. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Apple stock. All right, thank you guys for tuning in.